so dry and my scalp looks so uneasy and feels like lifeless right now. And as you can see, my hair looks so dry. They does not carry any life. It seems like that only. Then I found amazing mask for my hair and I wanted to share this recipe of my hair mask with you. So stay tuned guys.
You guys must be wondering कि मैंने आज मेकअप क्यों नहीं किया है, बिकॉज मेरे को नहीं लगा कि मैं आज कुछ मेकअप करूँ. आई जस्ट कीप इट वेरी सिंपल बिकॉज आज का जो पूरा अटेंशन है वो मेरे बालों पे जाने वाला है. सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Curd is power packed with antibacterial properties. Curd is an excellent ingredient to keep scalp infection free. It reduces dandruff and itchiness. In addition, curd is enriched vitamin B5 and D, which makes it an excellent superfood for our hair. Rice is rich mineral and vitamin which have many benefits for skin and hair. It rich an amino acid which strengthen hair roots and add shine to our hair, makes hair smooth and silky. It also contains carbohydrate which is known as instols, which repairs damage of hair and protects hair from further damage. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acid, amino acid and rich vitamin A, B12, C and E. This play a part in healthy hair. Add rice into the grinder and make very smooth paste of it. No lumps should be needed into a paste like so. Now add curd into rice and make very smooth paste of both of the things. Conditioner make hair softer and easier to manage. It also protects hair shafts from damage. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, make it a great hair moisturizer. Emollient smooth the hair and fossilize, adding shine to dull hair. Oil plays great role in hair life. It strengthens your hair, as we all know. Mix everything together and make very smooth paste of it guys, and apply it on your hair as I'm doing. So guys, as you are able to see my mother जो कि लगा रही है मुंह बना बना के. ऐसे क्यों बना रहे हो मुंह मम्मी? because trust me it smells so disgusting, but इसका जो output है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है. I'm not using my hand because shit, look at her face. Why you are making such faces, mommy? Batao.
I don't like this.
You need to apply whole this shit on your hair and give a good massage. You literally cannot call it as a shit because इससे जो output मिलेगा बहुत ही ज़्यादा best है. And just ignore her face the way she's making. So in between, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो पैक लग रहा है. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया, तो मैं अभी पराठा एंड माई स्पेशल चाय ये अब मैं खाऊंगी और पीऊँगी. सो सी यू लाइटर. ये ना आपको आपके रूट्स पे अप्लाई करने हैं, अच्छे से एकदम मसाज देनी, जैसे मेरी मम्मी दे. डज इट स्मेल गुड मम्मी? मैं मेरी मम्मी को खिला रही हूँ, देखो कैसे खा रही है. बिकॉज शी इज़ द ओनली पर्सन जो कि अच्छे से अप्लाई करेगी. हर हैंड्स आर सो सॉफ्ट लाइक संतोर मॉमी है ना मॉमी? वो नीचे लगाती नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों. नीचे लगा यहाँ पे पूरा सब पकड़ पकड़ के डीप इट इनटू द मिक्सचर. ओ गॉड दिस पीपल, आई टेल यू. देखो कैसे भूत बना के रखा है मेरे को.
आता आहे ना, परत करू नको. केलंच तर माझ्याकडे अपेक्षा नको ठेवू, मी लावेन म्हणून.
आगे ये देखो कैसे बना के रखा है मेरे को. वो लगाओ. Shit. कैसा लग रहा है मम्मी आपको इसका स्मेल? Just please describe in a few words. How does it smell, mommy?
I just hate.
एम आई लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल? लेडी गागा? नहीं। तो इसको अप्लाई करके यू हैव टू लीव इट एटलीस्ट फॉर 30 मिनट्स टू 1 आवर एक्चुअली। एंड तब तक आप खा सकते हो, पी सकते हो, एंड यू कैन यूज़ इट एंड यू कैन यूज़ योर टाइम according to your me time. Till then, bye bye. Just use literally any thela, like plastic ka thela, and apply it and cover it your face, cover your hair with it, because इसका जो पानी आता है ना डायरेक्टली नीचे 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 आ जाएगा एंड इट स्मेल्स सो डिस्गस्टिंग। बट इफ़ यू कैन सी बहुत सॉफ्ट है, बहुत मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है एंड इससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी वाली होममेड हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग हो जाती है। जस्ट गिव अ गुड मसाज बिफोर रिंस इट ऑफ, बिकॉज बहुत ही अच्छे से ये बालों की जड़ों तक जाने वाला है एंड यू विल गेट गुड रिजल्ट आफ्टर इट एंड यू विल बी सो मच थैंकफुल टू मी। एंड just use any good shampoo, less chemical free, and it gives so good, literally so good result. I'm gonna use, I guess that one is L'Oreal clay shampoo, so I'm gonna apply that 2 sachet and 1 conditioner sachet after that, after shampooing my hair. So you can use any shampoo which you like, but I'll prefer L'Oreal clay shampoo, so stay tuned for that. Because of this thing only मैंने बोला था कि ये लगा के रखो क्योंकि ये पूरा स्लिप हो रहा है। तो अभी मैं जा रही हूँ नहाने। Bye.
So I'm using this L'Oreal clay shampoo and conditioner for my hair. So I'll wash and I'll show you guys.
Hey everybody, so I have washed my hair and I want towel to soak the water properly, and then after that मैं बालों को अच्छे से blow dry दूँगी and I'll show you how. They are better dry right now, and if you can see the shine, so they're looking much better right now, so I'll give blow dry to them. Stay tuned. One thing which I forgot to mention was कि मैंने कोई भी सीरम अप्लाई नहीं किया because I didn't think about it and I don't find it useful right now, because जैसे मैंने last time भी मतलब 2 बार जैसे मैंने smoothing की थी, I haven't applied any serum. But if you're used to serum, like आप daily basis पे लगाते हो जब भी आप बाल wash करते हो, then do apply a serum, or else just keep the serum. So I'm using my Philips hair dryer and my very much old Vega brush, which I always use for my hair because this is made of silicone and it does not damage your hair at all. So go for this for sure. So we have given a lot heat to our hair and I don't want to use any chemical like heat protector spray and serum, something like that. So what I do is just take your wet towel and wrap for few seconds, nothing else you have to do, and just tap it अच्छे से एकदम. Just do this, so heat will be gone and your temperature will be normal. Nothing else you have to do. Don't apply any chemical and it's good. As you can see, they are still shining without any straightening machine and they are straight. So थोड़ा से हमको इसको straightening करना है अच्छे से एकदम. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna use my comb and comb my hair very gently. Just remove the extra triangle from your hair, and as you can see there is no need for straightener because they are looking fairly straight. So just because it's a process and just to make your hair even and more soft and smoother, so because of that we are using straightener, nothing else. And please don't give too much heat to your hair. Just make them straight, like एकदम थोड़ा सा, because they are already fairly straight. So keep your heat low, like this. Bas. Use another. I'm not doing like a pro because there is no need. Because आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा रैंडम ही अपने हेयर को स्ट्रेट करना है. Yeah, we are done. So thanks for watching my video, and if you want to know more, then do like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.